baby. What's wrong? Somebody has the hiccups.
Yeah. I was checking with Danny after maintenance, and we can't replace that room. But you always think that of me. I know. But they were fixing the water valve in the master bath, and didn't fix the right one, so...
Are you upset?
It's double the thing. So, where do we move on to?
Hmm.
40.
Hmm.
Okay. Look, you're right. They're not going to be happy, so just tell them I